Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will review the top 5 best drones available on AliExpress in 2026. I will go through product specifications, performance in real conditions, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is worth buying. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. New D12 GPS Drone 3-axis gimbal with touchscreen professional 8K HD camera FPV obstacle avoidance brushless drone for adult. The new D12 is a GPS-equipped drone with a 3-axis gimbal and an 8K HD camera. It features real-time FPV transmission, obstacle avoidance sensors, a brushless motor system, and a built-in touchscreen controller. In testing, the new D12 delivers steady flight and smooth video. The 3-axis gimbal effectively stabilizes footage. The 8K camera captures sharp aerial video with good color balance. GPS works reliably for hover and return home functions. Obstacle avoidance helps reduce accidental crashes. The touchscreen controller makes navigation straightforward. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera, smooth footage with 3-axis gimbal, intuitive touchscreen controller, reliable GPS and obstacle avoidance. Number 2. 2025 V168 Pro Max GPS Drone 8K Professional HD Camera 5G Wi-Fi FPV 360-degree obstacle avoidance brushless large screen RC quadcopter. The V168 Pro Max is a GPS drone featuring an 8K professional camera, fast 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 360-degree obstacle avoidance sensors, and a large screen remote controller. This drone impressed with the speed and reliability of 5G FPV transmission. Live video remained clear with minimal lag. The 360-degree sensors provided thorough obstacle detection in all directions. Flight stability was strong, and the large screen remote made it easy to monitor the camera view without relying on a phone. The 8K footage was detailed and smooth. Pros: fast 5G Wi-Fi FPV, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, large screen remote, good video quality and stability. Number 3. P7 Max High-End Professional GPS Drone 8K with Screen Remote Control 20 kilometers Digital Image Transmission Brushless RC Quadcopter Toy. The P7 Max is a high-end GPS drone with an 8K camera and long-range digital image transmission up to 20 kilometers. It includes a built-in screen on the remote control and brushless motors for efficient flight. The standout feature of the P7 Max is its long-range transmission. During testing, video feed remained stable even at extended distances. The built-in screen remote provides clear real-time video without needing external devices. Brushless motors ensure efficient power use and stable flight. The 8K camera captures high-quality footage with good detail and clarity. Pros: long-range image transmission, built-in screen remote, efficient brushless motors, sharp 8K footage. Number 4. S880 Max Fishing GPS Drone 8K Dual Camera 5G Wi-Fi FPV 3-axis Gimbal Professional Obstacle Avoidance Quadcopter Airdrop RC Drone. The S880 Max is designed for both aerial photography and fishing tasks. It comes with dual 8K cameras, a 3-axis gimbal, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, professional obstacle avoidance, and an airdrop function for dropping payloads. This drone offers versatility with its dual camera system. The primary camera delivers detailed footage while the secondary camera provides additional perspectives. The airdrop feature worked consistently in test flights. Obstacle avoidance and GPS kept the drone stable. 5G Wi-Fi FPV provided smooth video transmission to the controller. Pros: dual camera setup, functional airdrop feature, effective obstacle avoidance, good GPS stability, and 5G FPV. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia A1R3S GPS Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter 4K Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia A1R3S is a foldable GPS drone with an 8K camera, professional FPV system, brushless motors, and laser-based obstacle avoidance. Its aerial optical system enhances flight stability. This drone performed well in multiple flight tests. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and transport. Laser-based obstacle avoidance was precise and helped prevent collisions. The 8K camera recorded detailed aerial footage, while the brushless motors provided consistent flight performance. The foldable build makes it suitable for travel and outdoor shooting. Pros: compact foldable design, accurate laser obstacle avoidance, strong 8K video quality, reliable brushless motors. Top 5 Best Drone on AliExpress in 2026. All 5 drones reviewed offer strong features and performance. The new D12 and V168 Pro Max are solid choices for balanced performance and control. The P7 Max stands out with its long-range transmission and built-in screen remote. The S880 Max adds versatility with dual cameras and airdrop. The Xiaomi Mijia A1R3S is excellent for travel with its foldable design and laser obstacle avoidance. Choose the drone that best fits your needs and budget.